name's Lauren. I'm one of the cooks at Aspire in Cranbourne West. We're going to be making Anzac Biscuits today and for the children. So we have 1 cup of plain flour, we have 1 cup of coconut, we have 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of caster sugar. So, and then over here, sorry, we have 120 grams of melted margarine and 2 tablespoons of syrup in there as well. So all melted. And in here we have 1/2 teaspoon of bicarb with 2 tablespoons of hot water. So that's dissolved in there. Okay, so we're going to start with adding all the dry ingredients together. The flour, designated coconut, rolled oats, raw sugar, brown sugar and the caster sugar. Alright, so we're going to stir all this, mix it all together, break up all the lumps, the sugar, combine it nicely. It's a very easy recipe to do. Alright, okay, so that's done nicely. We're going to now add the liquid. So to make a little in there like that. Throw that in. Throw the bicarb and the water, and now we're just going to mix it all together. That should become all nice and gooey, combine together nicely. So now I'm just going to use my hands, wearing gloves, like this. So you should be able to squeeze in your hands like that and it'll just stick together. Okay. Just one more mix. Okay, so probably about a teaspoon in our hand, like that, teaspoon size. Roll it together, excuse me. Okay, so now we're going to put it on this tray, and excuse me. No? Oh, good. Okay, so this should make quite a few, maybe a little bit bigger. So, and I made a batch earlier, so I'll show you those. So, it should only take about 25 minutes to bake. Keep an eye on them because with the golden syrup they will brown. Okay, so just pretty much like that. And put it in the oven at about 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. So here's some we made earlier. So nice and chewy and crunchy as well. Okay, so thank you very much for watching and enjoy your biscuits.